May Money Matters. What's happening in the world of finance? Welcome to another episode of Bullrun with Angel. This May, there's been a lot going on in the world of finance. Some good, some not so great, but all of it impacts your future. Let's break down the biggest stories and what they mean for you. The U.S. is spending big, and it's making investors nervous. The U.S. government has enacted a massive $3.8 trillion bill that combines tax reductions with increased spending. While this may sound appealing, more government services and lower taxes, it comes at a significant cost. To fund these measures, the U.S. must borrow heavily, exacerbating concerns about the growing national debt. In response, investors are pulling away from U.S. bonds, seeking greater stability in markets such as Japan and Australia. Why it matters to you. If the U.S. keeps borrowing more, it could lead to higher inflation, which means your money buys less, and possibly fewer jobs down the road. The dollar drops, and the stock market feels it. The extensive borrowing by the U.S. government is contributing to a decline in the value of the dollar and increasing volatility in the stock market. Some analysts are sounding alarms over the potential for a broader financial crisis, particularly due to risky investment strategies linked to Japanese bonds. The situation is fueling concerns about global economic stability. Why it matters to you. A weak dollar means things like imported electronics or clothes might cost more. It also makes traveling abroad more expensive. Tech giants and trade drama. President Trump is turning up the heat on trade again. He's proposing huge tariffs, extra taxes on imported goods, especially targeting European products, and even Apple unless it brings manufacturing to the U.S. The announcement caused significant turbulence in financial markets, but there's an unexpected development. He has postponed the tariffs for 90 days. For now, the uncertainty is temporarily paused. Fintech and crypto are blowing up. Some companies are thriving despite the chaos. Digital bank Revolut is investing over $1 billion in France, creating jobs and expanding its reach. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, shot past $110,000. That's a record high. Why it matters to you. Digital banking and crypto might be how you manage your money in the future, so it's good to pay attention. Americans are struggling with debt. Credit card delinquencies, aka people missing payments, hit a post-recession high. More people, even those with decent incomes, are falling behind on bills. Surveys also show Americans are worried about inflation, job security, and falling wages. Why it matters. Developing strong financial literacy early on is essential. Understanding budgeting and money management isn't just a skill for adulthood, it's valuable at every stage of life. The sooner you start, the better prepared you'll be for financial independence. In the markets, Snowflake's earnings, a data cloud company, surprised investors in a good way. DoorDash, Nvidia, and other big names are in the spotlight. Some financial experts are offering tips on what stocks to buy or sell. In short, it's a roller coaster out there. Final takeaway. Whether it's new trade policies, the rising cost of living, or booming tech investments, what's happening in finance affects your world. From job prospects to how much your money is worth, staying informed is key to making sound financial decisions. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, financial literacy is essential.